Today we're diving into the world of AI logo design with three leading platforms: Wix Logo Maker, Design Evo, and Luca. Each of these platforms are essential tools for businesses and individuals looking to create professional logos quickly and effortlessly. Throughout this video, we'll explore each platform's features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives. Let's kick off this three-way comparison by comparing each program's main features. Wix Logo Maker features include AI-powered design. Wix Logo Maker offers AI-powered design logo creation, allowing users to generate customized logos based on their preferences and industry. Extensive library. With Wix Logo Maker, users have access to a vast library of high-quality graphics, icons, and fonts to personalize their logos. Design Evo features include customizable templates. Design Evo provides a wide range of customizable logo templates suitable for various industries and niches. Vector graphics. Design Evo offers vector graphics support, ensuring that logos are scalable without losing quality, making them ideal for both digital and print use. Luca features include Brand Kit. Luca includes a comprehensive brand kit feature, allowing users to create cohesive branding elements beyond just logos, such as business cards and social media assets. Real-time collaboration. Luca offers real-time collaboration capabilities, enabling teams to work together seamlessly on logo design projects. When it comes to pricing, Wix Logo Maker offers a free version with limited features, while premium plans start at $20 per month. Design Evo offers a free basic plan as well, with paid plans starting at $24.99 per month. And Luca's pricing starts at $20 per month for basic features, with higher tier plans available at $65 per month. While Wix Logo Maker and Luca offer more affordable entry-level options, Design Evo provides more flexibility with its free basic plan and competitive pricing for premium features. In terms of user experience, Wix Logo Maker stands out for its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with the Wix platform. Design Evo offers a straightforward design process with easy-to-use editing tools, while Luca impresses with its intuitive collaboration features and robust branding capabilities. Each platform caters to different user preferences and skill levels, ensuring a positive user experience for all. Wix Logo Maker offers intuitive AI-powered design and seamless integration with the Wix platform, but its free version has limited features. Design Evo stands out for its extensive library of customizable templates and support for vector graphics, yet its free plan also restricts high-resolution downloads. Luca impresses with its comprehensive brand kit and real-time collaboration features, but its pricing may be higher for some users and it lacks social inbox and listening functionalities. Looking for alternatives to these logo makers? Consider platforms like Canva and Adobe Spark, which offer similar logo design capabilities with their own unique features and pricing structures. While each alternative has its strengths, Wix Logo Maker, Design Evo, and Luca remain top choices for logo design due to their comprehensive feature sets and user-friendly interfaces. Among these three logo makers with AI generative features, the best choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you especially value AI-powered design and seamless integration, Wix Logo Maker is a solid option. For customizable templates and vector graphics support, Design Evo is also a strong contender, while Luca's comprehensive brand kit and collaboration features make it a compelling choice for teams and businesses. Sign up for your preferred logo maker today and take your branding to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more software comparisons and tips. Thank you for watching.